Okay, so you guys are wondering what to take when you get to the high school. So this is technology education and engineering, and so what we have are a lot of electives for you to choose from as freshmen. Probably one of the most of any department. So the first course that you can take is Introduction to Engineering Design. It's part of a sequence of courses where you can take civil engineering, principles of engineering, or engineering design and development. All of them are worth college credit except for our senior capstone course, which is engineering design and development. So it's a great pathway if you're looking to do engineering. The Introduction to Engineering Design course has anything from 3D printing to laser cutting. We show you how to use Auto Inventor, which is a really heavy-duty CAD program. And then we set out and do several projects that include using our CNC machine and the laser cutter. We have 3D printing machines and lots of other different activities. So, really exciting course. The next course you could take would be Robotics. Robotics deals with programming. They build sample robots. They actually learn coding and go through a lot of hands-on activities to build different robots. There also is a club. If you're interested, we have a robotics club who participates in FIRST. And so they have a huge, robust program there where they get to go and travel to different venues throughout the nation. They've gone as far as St. Louis, South Carolina, and Troy, New York. So they do a lot of travel and some great competitions there. All right, so our other course that you can take is Video Production 1. It has another course, which is Video Production 2. And Video Production 1 has industry standard software like Adobe Premiere. They have two different filming labs where you got green screen, digital cameras. We even have a drone that we're learning how to use. So a lot of cool stuff there. You make a lot of videos for school and different clubs, things like that. Also, it has a film club, so if you're interested in video, you can actually participate in that club as well. All right, the next class that you could take would be Manufacturing Systems, and we have a metals and a wood. So for the wood manufacturing systems, you're going to do things like make maybe a small bookcase, learn some joints, things like that, and then progress through possibly to furniture. You're going to learn a lot of techniques with hand tools, so it's a hands-on type of class where you're going to be using a lot of different tools, which we've recently upgraded to brand new tools. So a really nice lab for that. You also have the metals, which incorporates anything from welding of metal to using a lathe. We have a metal lathe where you can actually turn metal and make tools out of that. We have forging, so a lot of different opportunities there for metal. All right, and then we also have a course for home maintenance. So if you like working and doing things around the house, you want to fix things around the house, or interested in construction or carpentry, plumbing, electrical, we have this course called Home Maintenance, and you're going to get a chance to learn how to frame a wall, how to fix sheetrock, how to fix a leaky faucet, leaky plumbing, doors that don't close, windows that don't close, all kinds of different things that you're going to find that need to be fixed around the house, and we're going to show you how to do that. So a real fun class that you can actually take what you learned and go home and fix stuff. All right, and then the last course that you could take would be Transportation Systems. This is great if you're someone that likes to work with machinery. So we have small engines. You're going to take apart a small engine, totally clean it, disassemble it, fix it, and put it all back together and get it running. And then once that's done, you're going to actually learn automotive. So then we learn how to do oil changes, tire changes, brake jobs, things like that to cars. And right now they're actually working on go-karts. So there's a lot of opportunities. You never quite know what you're going to get year to year. It depends on the opportunities that kind of come through the door. But that's a real exciting class if you like to use tools and get your hands dirty. All right, so we have a lot of opportunities for you, no matter what your skills. If you want to go to college, if you want to go vocational and work with mechanics, auto mechanics, plumbing, and the trades, we have all kinds of different courses for you. So we look forward to seeing you next year.